Today we're gonna learn, hopefully quickly, how to make your site not in English, so in your local language, whatever is the version that your Applied for site needs to be. First of all, before we start, everything that I'm going to show you is in the handbook, so it's applied4.greenpeace.org. You either navigate through the tags or you just look for translate or strings or whatever is related to multi-language, and one of the first results should be this one, translate P4 strings, commands, theme and plugin and so on. Okay, it's totally cool. It's a very easy process to do. You do it in 2 minutes. It's actually also a very creative exercise. But first of all, what are strings? Strings are, as you can see right here in the handbook, are, let's say, hard-coded commands that cannot edited directly within your dashboard, okay, within your Applied for settings or WordPress settings generally. For Applied for, we are using a tool called Loco Translate that we are going to see in a second. But first of all, just so you know, if you have gone through Applied for implementation, you should have already done this exercise. So as you can see, for example, our colleagues from Mexico are already live, and this buscar, which is search, is already a totally translated string. Okay, but let's say that, for example, having a look around, you notice that we refreshed a few strings and there are some strings that are not translated, such as, for example, you see comments, or not only comments, but also, for example, name or your email or post comment. Actually, all these are in English, so you're gonna have to translate them and put them into your local language, in our case, Spanish. So what do we need to do? We have to go back to the handbook. Guess what? Everything is installed in the handbook, so applied4.greenpeace.org. If you are a website manager, you should have a handbook account. If you don't, please let us know. But once you have logged in the handbook, you just go into the dashboard, you identify this command called Loco Translate, just hit on it. All editors have access to this, so please make sure you identify your language. You click on Master Theme, Greenpeace Applied for Master Theme, and you identify your language, okay? Watch out for our Spanish-speaking guys. There are multiple versions of Spanish, so just make sure you find yours. In our case, we have found our Mexican version. You go inside and edit it. First things first, you have to hit the sync button to make sure that Loco actually syncs with the latest version of the master theme. You will see all the strings that are already translated appear, but you may see that there are some of them that appear in bold. So this toggle navigation menu, or as we may have seen, we will see comments or comment or name or your name, which are nothing else than these guys. Okay, so how to translate this specific string? You just select it, comment, and you have the source text here, and here you put your comentario, I suppose. Let's see. Yeah, that's comentario, and you just hit it, and when you're done, you just save. That's it. That's literally all you have to do. You should do it obviously for every string that remains bold, but the thing is that it will be synced every release. So every week we release a new version of Applied for. It's not automatically synced. So for example, if now I refresh this one, you will see that comments will still be there in English. Okay, that's it. Please do it. It's an interesting exercise to review regularly. Just go inside, Applied for, Loco Translate, Master Theme, identify your language, sync, and hasta la vista.